Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can colorize your black and white photo using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up the Canva application from your mobile phone or your computer. And here I'm going to open it from my mobile phone. I'm going to go to the Canva application and I'm going to create new design. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to choose the resolution. For example, Instagram story. Alright, and then to colorize black and white photo, we're going to use Canva apps. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, you just need to scroll all the way to the right until you find the apps here. Tap on the apps and then you can search for Colorify. You can go to the search bar and then type in Colorify. Okay guys, and I'm going to choose this one, and actually you can choose this one as well, colorize or colorify, it's the same. And I'm going to choose the colorify. Okay, I'm going to click on open. Okay, and we're going to upload our photo to Canva. Okay, you can choose file here by tapping on choose file. And for example, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, then wait for a moment. We just need to wait until the progress 100%. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and this is the result guys. As you can see that my black and white photo has been colorized. Okay, and I'm just going to fit the screen. Okay, and this is the result. I'm sorry, my photo is a little bit blur. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller again. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the colorify if I want to colorize new photo. Okay guys, and that's all the way to colorize photo on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.